Hello students, now today we discuss the area of a parallelogram of the exercise 9.4. This exercise is an optional but its exercise is the important for you. The question number 1, as the exercise 9.4 parallelogram ABCD and rectangle ABEF are on the same base AB and have equal area, so that the perimeter of the parallelogram is greater than that of the rectangle. Perimeter of parallelogram is greater than the perimeter of rectangle. Now figure as this is the parallelogram A, B, C and D, and the rectangle E and rectangle F, that's are 90 degree, 90 degree. ABCD is a parallelogram and ABEF is a rectangle. Now show that the perimeter of parallelogram is greater than the perimeter of rectangle. Parallelogram and rectangle have the same base AB. Parallelogram and rectangle have the same base AB and have equal area Therefore, these will be between the parallel line. The parallelogram and rectangle have the same base and are equal in area. Therefore, these will be between parallel line AB and CF. Parallel line AB and CF. Now consider the parallelogram ABCD and rectangle ABEF are between the same parallel line AB and CF. We know that the opposite side of parallelogram are a rectangle ABEF are equal in area, then show the parallelogram ABCD and rectangle ABEF are equal in area, then AB equal to EF. AB equal to EF. AB equal to EF for rectangle. And AB equal to CD for parallelogram. AB equal to CD for parallelogram. CD equal to EF. CD equal to EF. Then AB plus CD equal to, then CD equal to EF. CD equal to EF. Now AB plus CD equal to AB plus EF. All the line segment that can be drawn to a given line from a point not laying on it, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Once again, all the line segment that can be drawn, to a given line from a point not laying on it, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. So AF less than AD. AF less than AD. Similarly BE less than BF. BE less than BC. BE less than BC. BE less than BC and AF plus BE. AF plus BE less than AD plus BC. AF plus BE less than AD plus BC. Now once again, parallelogram and rectangle have same base and have the equal area that are lying between two parallel lines. Therefore, the parallelogram ABCD have opposite sides are equal and the rectangle have also opposite sides are equal. Therefore, AB equal to EF and AB equal to CD, that are adding AB plus CD equal to AB plus EF and also CD equal to EF. All the line segment that can be drawn to a given line from a point not laying on it the perpendicular line segment is shortest. Therefore, AF less than AD. AF less than AD. Similarly, BE less than BC. And now adding both, AF plus BE less than AD plus CE. Now adding from, therefore AB plus BF, AB plus EF, AB plus EF plus AF plus BE is less than AD plus BC plus AB plus CD plus CD. Condition number 2 and condition number 1. Now adding the condition number 1 and the condition number 2, we get that the side of or perimeter of rectangle is less than the perimeter of parallelogram. Clear? Next question. A, B, C, D, D, C, F, E and A, B, F, E are parallelogram, so that area ADE equal to area BCF. Now figure A, B, C, D, E and F. A, B, C, D is parallelogram. A, B, the parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. The opposite sides are parallel and equal. So therefore AD equal to BC. Condition number first, AD equal to BC. DCEF and ABFE are parallelogram. DE equal to CF. DE equal to CF. Now condition number 2, and EA equal to FB. Condition number 3rd. In triangle ADE and triangle BCF AD equal to BC and DE equal to CF. DE equal to CF and EA equal to FB. EA equal to FB. Then triangle ADE congruent triangle BCF So therefore area ADE equal to area BCF by SSS. So therefore triangles are congruent, then their area are equal. In this question, ABCD is a parallelogram. AB equal to BC because opposite sides are parallel and equal. DCFE are also parallelogram. ABEFE are also parallelogram. Then their opposite sides are parallel and equal. So DE equal to CF and EA equal to FB. In triangle ADE and triangle BCF, AD equal to BC, DE equal to CF and EA equal to FB, then the triangle are congruent. So therefore their area are equal. Thank you.